The final version of the Tesla Cybertruck is currently on display at 11 Tesla locations around the country, allowing people to view it during business hours. And first impressions about such an awaited car are a bit complicated. Tesla has come under fire in the past for build quality issues with its early production vehicles. The gaps between the body panels of Tesla cars were sharply criticized by critics of the company. Also, some users had plastic pedals break off and even the steering wheel fell off. But this time, Tesla isn't going to give critics any qualms about looking at the photos and videos of the latest Cybertrucks. It seems Tesla has done a great job improving the look and finish of the Cybertruck. All reviewers who have already looked at it managed to admire the build quality, the uniform gaps between body elements, except a few, and the quality of small parts. But what is this thing? Do you see this? Yes, don't you think there is some kind of bolt sticking out 2 inches from the tire attached to the suspension? It apparently moves up and down with the wheel and should not damage the tire, but it's hard to imagine that you will have to drive with the knowledge that there's always a sharp piece of metal sticking out 2 inches from your tires, and it doesn't look very aesthetically pleasing. Tesla definitely won't have the time to fix this in the 10 models that will go to their owners on November 30, but perhaps this will be fixed in the next improvements for ordinary buyers. Elon did not explain in any way why the bolts should stick out from the suspension, but perhaps this is a design feature. Moving on to the rest of the details, the design of the windshield wiper has not changed. It is still the same giant, and the charging port is still built into the wheel liner. It was also recently reported that Tesla has addressed the issue with the fingerprints and other marks on the stainless steel body. According to the Cybertruck Owners Club forum, one fan visiting the Florida showroom said product detailing company AutoRenew has already developed a solution with CyberShield. Quote, "This product was a collaboration with Tesla," said forum user DMC81, who stated that a Tesla employee was given a CyberShield to keep the Cybertruck looking clean. Understandably, Tesla faces huge challenges in crafting a vehicle unlike anything the automotive industry has seen before. But no mass-manufactured machine rolls off the assembly lines totally free of irregularities. Even icons of the auto world like Ford's F-150 experience isolated quality quirks, as no vehicle achieves 100% perfection at large volumes.